everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick review on Silkygirl's Doughnut Eyeshadow palette. This is how the product looks like. I actually haven't opened it. Ta-da! This is how the product looks like. Oh my goodness, a quick note. The image is pixelated, so okay, anyways. Ta-da! Here's how the palette looks like. Sorry, you guys can see my lamp. Okay, yeah. So that's how the product looks like, and let's just remove this plastic. Yep, that's how the color palette looks like. It looks pretty nice, and I gotta say this palette is like my first Silkygirl purchase. This kind of looks like the ColourPop eyeshadow palette, right, with the 9 color stories as well. This is the cheapest that I know so far. It's only 15 ringgit. Actually the real price is like 25, and then usually they have discounts, so they will sell you at 20 ringgit, but I have like bunch of vouchers, so I got it only for like 15 ringgit. I'm actually gonna do both with the brush as well as with my hand. So yeah, let's get started. The first shade is called Icing. I'm actually not like a makeup artist or good at makeup in any way, so I can't really tell if that's a good quality or not. So I guess if you know about makeup, then you can judge from the hand swatch that I did just now. So I'm just gonna clean my brush. Oh wow, that's very did you guys see the color? I don't see the color. I mean, I saw a little bit there, but in real life I don't see the color as well. Let me try one more time. Well, because I guess Icing is such a light color, that's why you don't see it. I still don't see it. So we're just gonna move on to the next shade. Okay, so the next shade is chocolate, pretty shimmery kind of shade. I think it's here. So hand swatch is very clear, it's very pigmented. Let's see how's the brush swatch would look like. I just do both because I saw like a lot of other YouTubers, they do both hand and brush swatches, so I thought that might interest you. Okay, for this color it's very visible, but I don't know if it's just me, but it looks so different with the hand swatch. I just feel like the brush swatch looks a lot lighter, and it looks a lot more orange. Alright, so we'll move on to the next one. It's called Doughnut. So let's try it out. The donut looks kind of like a orange-ish. Yep, that looks pretty orange, but I wonder why even with the hand swatch it's like really chalky. It looks like it's a brush swatch. So yeah, let's try it with the brush now. Okay, it looks pretty similar with the hand swatch. Alright, so now my arm is clean. Let's try more shades. The next one is called Almond. This is a shimmery one. I think let's put it here. Yep, there you go. Alright, so for the brush, it looks like this. Again, it looks pretty thin. I mean, usually a brush swatch looks thinner, so yeah, there you go. Okay, move on to the next shade. It's called Danish. This one right here. And for the brush, looks like that. Alright, now for the next shade is called Espresso, which is this shade right here. Yep, it looks pretty dark. It looks so transparent. Now that I tried the dark shade, now I see how much more transparent the brush shade looks like. So yeah, anyway, it's almost done, I promise you guys. So the next one is called Blueberry, which is this shade right here. All right, with the finger swatch, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it's kind of chalky. I think you guys can see the pattern that the brush swatch is so much lighter. Some people said that if the eyeshadow palette is good, then the brush swatch is not gonna be far too less pigmented compared to the hand swatches. But actually I don't know, I don't really know, honestly. I haven't really tried so many eyeshadow palettes, so I can't really say anything about that. Alright, so the next two shade is called Tiramisu. I almost can't see it. It's so light. Alright, so the last shade is called Frost. Let's go ahead and try it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I almost can't see this one as well. This is my second time digging into the pan, but yeah, I still yeah, there you go. I guess there you go. That's the hand swatches of all the Silkygirl donut palette, the donut palette with the blurry donut. I'm still bugged with the blurry donut image. I mean, can't they use like a vector image so it's not blurry anyway? Okay, so actually not really sure like which color I want to use and what kind of look do I want to achieve. But anyway, I think we're just gonna go ahead and try a little bit. As you guys can see, the fallout is crazy. It's like very powdery. I guess I'm gonna use Danish next. So okay, this is Danish. I guess the next one is I'm gonna try to use Espresso. Oh my god, I think I messed up this one. Guys, this is not a tutorial anyway, so I'm not good at makeup, so yeah. So yeah, that's kind of how it looks like. I honestly I kind of like it already with these three combination color, which is Icing, Danish, and Espresso. So yeah, probably these three are like my go-to color. Alright guys, so I think I'm done with the eye look. I have put on some mascara and some eyeliner as well, so I think it looks normal now. Okay, in my opinion, this product is very affordable, but you also kind of get the quality that is according to the price. So my advice to you guys is that if you're buying this and expect the quality to be, for example, as good as ColourPop, I don't think you should. It's really not as good as ColourPop. It's comparable with the price. Like with the price that you pay is the quality that you get. You pay low and you get low quality. But then again, like I'm not saying like this is such a terrible quality that you should never ever buy this. It actually has a pretty decent quality. For example, for those of you guys who are like really in a budget and really need an eyeshadow palette, I think this would be a perfect palette for you guys. Like if you have low budget but you really need an eyeshadow palette, then you can get this, but try to use finger to apply it. And then let's talk about the bad things about this palette. It's very easy to fall out, especially if you use brush. But I wouldn't say that's like a deal breaker or something, because of course when in terms of fallout, you can just like, you know, tap your brush, or maybe you can blow air to it. Like, it's kind of fine. I mean, it's not really messing with the result if you are being careful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Let me know also in the comments if you have any other thoughts about this palette. If you've tried this, what do you guys think about it? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.